If you've been injured on the job, sometimes the insurance company will hire a private investigator to watch you. What they want to do is to try to catch you doing something your doctor told you not to do or something you told the doctor you couldn't do. A video of you doing something you told the doctor you couldn't do can be damning to your case. Surveillance is most commonly ordered when a hearing or settlement mediation is approaching. Most of my clients think that they would know if they're being watched. That's not my experience. Private investigators are highly trained individuals who are trained to watch you and not let you know when you're being watched. At your deposition, you'll frequently be asked questions like where do you live, what's your height and weight, etc. And they'll take that information and pass it on to the private investigators to make sure they pick up the right person. Private investigators need an opportunity to pick you up. That's what they call it when they start following you, and commonly they do that at your house or a doctor's visit. Because the insurance company knows when and where you'll be for a doctor's appointment, it's easy for them to tell the private investigator where to find you. Knowing where and when you'll be somewhere is critical to the investigator. I have twice known of a private investigator to sit in my parking lot outside a deposition in order to start following a client when they leave. Once an investigator even went inside a doctor's office and sat in the waiting room with my client with a video camera trying to get dirt on her, and that didn't work. But usually they'll try to pick you up at home, and frequently they'll park out on the street and just watch your house. You do not want to be in the yard doing yard work if your doctor told you not to, or taking out the trash is another favorite of theirs. They want to try to catch you taking out the trash and assume that it must be too heavy and above your doctor's limitations. Doctors don't like it either when they see you doing things on video that they think they told you not to do. I've seen a doctor turn on a patient and dismiss them to full duty and no restrictions based on a video. Never mind the fact that they were having a good day or what was in the bag was lighter than their restrictions. Clients frequently need to be reminded of the potential for surveillance and to be cautious. This doesn't mean you have to go through life paranoid that someone's always following you, but you do need to be mindful of the possibility and be careful to follow your doctor's instructions. If you suspect you're being watched by an investigator, the best advice I can give is just stay inside. They'll eventually get tired and go away, but sometimes they may continue to watch your house for up to 3 days. If you see a suspicious car in your neighborhood, you should call the police and ask the patrol car to come by and check it out. However, sometimes when the police show up and talk with the person in the car and they find out it's an investigator, they'll just leave and not even say anything to you. Don't think that you can hide in your backyard either. Investigators frequently go into your neighbor's property in order to get a good view of your backyard. Again, don't go through life paranoid, but be mindful that surveillance is a tool the insurance company can and may use against you. I'm attorney Russell Keener. Thanks for watching.